buy, sell, and earn interest on Dogecoin right on the Gemini exchange. This is something you definitely want to pay attention in terms of investing in 2021. And I got something to really share with you today. Watch this entire video because we're going to have some fun with investing with Dogecoin. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below to get access to the Gemini exchange where you can start earning interest right now. Let me show you how you can earn interest on Dogecoin. Look at this. Gemini came out with this. Gemini adopted a Doge. And by the way, I'm Adam Shelton, and thank you for liking this video, comment, subscribe when you get the opportunity. Now, the thing I like about this is anytime you can earn interest in your investment, you definitely want to pay attention. So when you click on the link below, you'll get access to Gemini and you'll be into a page that look like this. Now, you'll get to a page here, and then what happens is when you actually buy Dogecoin, you can earn interest off that Dogecoin now. Just like it says right here. Just like it says right here. Look at that. Dogecoin, adopted Doge, much wow. Look at the portfolio. Gemini believes in empowering the individual. I do too. So that's why I'm showing you this video right now. So when you purchase Dogecoin, so if I go here, all right, we're going to do a demonstration. I'm going to purchase Dogecoin right on the Gemini exchange. Now I'm going to do $10 worth of Dogecoin. I'm going to walk you through the steps. All I did was I went right to Doge, and then onto the right, if you're using a desktop or a laptop, I'm highlighting buy. I'm only going to buy once. I'm going to buy $10 worth. I'm going to view order. And the next step is basically asking, do I want to use my USD balance? Now, here's the thing I'm going to tell you on this. You can actually load money into your Gemini USD wallet, but that's in another video. I don't want to confuse you. We're going to use our bank account, something you probably already know, but you can load money into your Gemini wallet, your USD wallet. But anyway, we'll do that in another video. And so just pay attention right now. So we're going to go ahead and purchase $10 worth of Dogecoin for Bank of America, $24. Right now, Dogecoin is only down in terms of the price. 36 cents is really good. No financial advice, but that's a good price, 36 cents. But anyway, so the next thing I want to go ahead and do is I'm going to go to earn at the top here. Earn, just like it says up here. So I bought it. I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to skip the sell and earn interest. So I'm at the earn area right now. So the next thing I want to do is make sure I'm at Gemini earn up to 7.40% APY on crypto. Redeem at any time. But we're not going to redeem right now. We're going to keep it in interest where we can grow. And I want you to do the same exact thing if you want to do that. So anyway, let's go to Dogecoin. We're going to click on earn. And right now I'm highlighting Dogecoin. I could go to other cryptocurrency, but I want to go right to Dogecoin. The next thing is I want to transfer a balance. I want to transfer my balance from a trading balance to an earn balance. So I'm going to do maximum of the 24.937724. I want all that to be earning interest on a daily basis while I'm at the beach, while I'm drinking water, while I'm taking a walk, while you're sleeping, earning interest. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I want you to learn how to earn interest. And with Dogecoin, that's something you need to know. Now, right now, I'm going to go ahead and do this. It's approximately $8.95. That's how much it's worth right now. As in right now, that's how much it's worth. And then here's the projected 1-year interest of showing how much Doge you will get. So I'm going to click on continue. Next is going to be earn confirmation, trading balance, earn balance. So remember, I had a trading balance. Remember when I bought it, it was in a trading balance. When I buy it, your assets go to a trading balance. But then I moved it over to an earn balance, and this is going to be the annual yield percentage. Total this, confirm, all done. You'll begin earning interest on 24, basically Dogecoin, within 1 business day. 1 business day. So after basically next business day, you're going to start earning interest. I click on done, and now what happens is all this now is earning interest. Now I can reload it to make sure everything is good. And right now, Dogecoin is being earned interest right now. So just like it says right here, buy, sell, and earn interest on Dogecoin. Remember, I just bought Doge. Now I can sell the Doge as well off your Gemini account and that goes right to your USD wallet. So if I was here, I'll show you real quick, just real fast. It's real fast. If I go to Dogecoin, if I'm trying to sell it, the same thing how I did the buy, I'm just reversing it. So if I had 10 Dogecoin here, because remember, it's in the earned interest account, I'll just click on 10. That's how much I have, and I could review order and sell it that way. So that's how you sell your Doge. So I showed you how to buy it, showed you how to earn interest, and I'm showing you how to sell it if you want to sell it. And what happens is it goes right to USD. It goes right there. So I'll show you exactly where it will go. It will go right to USD. See this USD, that $10 there? That's where it will go. Then you have to withdraw it out. But I'll do that in another video. I don't want to confuse you. But this video is all about buying, selling, and more importantly, earning interest off your Dogecoin. Don't forget, click on the link below on the Gemini link. I have the link there. Go ahead and sign up and start purchasing Dogecoin and other ones as well. There's Bitcoin. There's other ones there as well. There's other assets as well. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Uniswap, there's Litecoin. You're going to earn interest off a lot of these, but I highlight Dogecoin is because it's the newest one out there that you can earn interest off the Dogecoin. Now, you know, Gemini's doing they're doing a really good marketing campaign, really promoting Dogecoin because it's one of those coins where people are seeming to like, and also it's an opportunity. It is an opportunity. So click on the link below, get started, sign up as an account, start purchasing your Dogecoin, and start earning interest off that Doge as well. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. And I'll see you on the next video.